to get the fuck out.
You're the one from the phone. Give me back my sister.
What's the matter, baby? Didn't you like our phone SEXXX? That's a pity.
Let me think. Dude, give us Rosalind now. And quit making fun of Stephen Hawking. He's a great man, you perv.
I'm the pervert? You the one with a head hanging from your hip. I already told you, girlie. If you want to win your sister back, you have to play the game. Oh, baby, time to get the fuck out. Light up, please. Feel it. Fuck it. Are you retarded? I'm getting it. Fuck it. Feeling super pretty. Dance.
Ready?
Let's get freaky. I'm feeling good. Fucking hell.
It's an IFO. Identified fucking object.
Feeling high. Get funky, girl. I'm feeling funky.
It's an IFO. Identified fucking object.
Are you retarded? I'm feeling good, feeling super free. Feeling super free. Dance.
Ready?
Are you retarded? Second stage, initiating funky.
I won't let this perv get away.
But never ending, freaking epic. Let's walk into space. Coming to countdown. Now everybody together. Baby.
I just identified an unidentified flying object, and we're freaking standing on it. A UFO? Great job, Juliet. But hurry! Break the next machine quickly! dangerous when it's glowing red.
Wait, hold on. If you kill me, you never see your sister.
No!
Hey! You promised you'd give her back if we won!
You trusted what I said? I'm a mother freaking zombie. Drop the chainsaw now, ho.
Hey, baby.
For me.
Go ahead, Juliet.
Looks like you're out of coins, weird voice guy.
Mayor speed to Red Gate Partners. Mario.
Okay then.